What the oh man. It's windy than I thought out here. Nobody said nothing about no wind. It's nice out here though. It's like about 51, 52 degrees. Perfect day for me to do a little review. Once again, I start my handlebars. But before I get into it, what's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the Righty Boo channel. This is V, your host. Today I'm out here on the Stealth Enduro Bomber, talking about these handlebars I recently installed. Pit dirt bike style handlebars, the supermodel setup, moto. I got it set up with the handlebar risers right there, which give me about they give me about an inch, and then the handlebars itself is about give me about a 2-inch rise or whatever. They're about 31 inches wide in width, which now I'm sitting pretty nice on this thing. Before, when I first put the bike together, I had a set of those giraffe stem handlebars, but it was just the handlebars I used, and I had one of those steerers sitting around those stems and necks, whatever. So I rocked that setup for a little while, but it drove me crazy. The handlebars was too narrow and too low, so you know, even though I got long arms, sometimes I just felt like I was down too low. But anyway, after that, after those handlebars, I went to the U-pans. U-pan, yeah, I swapped them out to the U-pans. The width on those was pretty nice, but they only rose about maybe a ½ inch to an inch. And that steerer stem that I had was driving me crazy, because for some reason it just didn't look right on this bike. It just didn't feel right. So I had those on the bike for a little while. The width was nice, but the height wasn't there. So after that, I found some of those I think they JFG Racing surround style handlebars. So I rocked those for a little while. Those was really nice. The main complaint I had with those was I just didn't like the neck, the steerer that I had on those. I was going to use those direct mount that a lot of people use on the Surround, but I still didn't like them. I wanted it to sit up on top. But I seen it once I seen these handlebar risers on a dirt bike. It got me thinking. Then I actually seen another setup like this. I've seen a couple setup like this on the Enduro bike or whatever, on the Stealth Bombers. So that made me really start thinking that I need to change it. I'm gonna change it again, but these handlebars, I think I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna change out the forks and everything, the forks, and got a new triple tree, 45/48, and the forks is 45/48 as well. They're about 31 inches long. So that's my next project. Everybody just be staring like, what the hell is that? When I'm on this bike. Oh, when I got my black sweatsuit on, forget it. I guess I look like a ninja on a bike or something. This bike is great. Oh yeah, Happy New Year's. Hope everybody is enjoying their New Year so far. Hope it's filled with peace and prosperity. But yeah, it just feel like, you know, with this setup, it feels like I'm on it a little more. I don't know if that makes sense. I guess because it's the entire shop turned before, but now it sits on top of it. So this is my first ride, first impression, first feel out. This bike, wow, man, I miss riding this bike. I miss riding all my bikes. I hope we have more 50-degree weather days in the winter. I'm sure we will. But this just felt like the perfect opportunity to take this bike out for a quick spin. and messing around with the settings on this this Insta360. This is the X3 edition. I never worked with a you know, anything even close to this before. So bit of a learning curve here I'm dealing with. So it's a few things at play right here. Whoa, what the wow. Wow. I wasn't blind signaling her or nothing like that. That was it wasn't close, but close enough. Ooh, damn. This thing. Yeah, I gotta work on this fender a little. Kind of upset they took that bridge away. Now you gotta enter from over there where I just entered from. There was a bridge right here, a wooden bridge. They should have left that bridge alone. Cause now it's kind of awkward. You actually gotta come around here on the off ramp for the hutch. Looks like they're gonna put up a barrier. Yeah. So that'll probably help. And on the bike, I mean, 50 degrees is actually not that bad. You hit the mud, you can feel the difference. Feel like you want to do its own thing. Just trying to get a real feel for it with these handlebars. The steer definitely feels a little different. Looks so much different than yeah, I'm just trying to get a feel for this thing here. I know this is a difficult turn right here. It's really nice out here in the sun. And I definitely that's gonna be my next project, my main project, upgrading the brakes and everything, the front brake especially. I'm still trying to figure the back brake out. But anyway, yeah, I don't know if I feel a lot of difference with these handlebars. I mean, there is a difference, I just can't put, maybe the steering feel more precise or whatever, and the leaning feels a little different. Now it feels like you really have to lean versus steer. Mother, I wasn't recording all of that. I got the, yo, am I kidding me? I didn't record none of that on the 360. So yeah, I'm figuring all motorcycles have this setup with the risers, all motorcycles and all dirt bike. So I'm figuring it should make some difference. I just want to get a quick shot right here in the one. On it. I ain't getting none of that. One thing, this 360, I seen some footage off of it. Although this thing is bobbing like that, this thing is super stable. Super stable. Sound like I said super stable. Yeah, this thing is super stable, y'all. Love the waterfall. The balloon stuck right there. Yeah, go back up. But aesthetically, I'm very pleased. But they look much better than that neck that was there, that stera, whatever you want to call it. Oh, my 360 battery died. What's up, man? What's going on? Happy New Year's. Need to wash my car too. Yeah, word up. What you doing, man?